Huntington, Milton, KOA in West Virginia. It's pretty. There's a lot of sites. Some of them are tight, but a lot of them actually have good space. We're in a really long one. Probably like way too long for our rig, but I like to fit. I'll show you around. These are some sites that you back into, and you can see that gets wet. There's a lot of tire tracks. Evening walk. Those are the premium patio sites. They have chairs, gliders, concrete patio, a grill, and a fire ring.
Here. Hey.
Got some back-end sites towards the front. This is the camp store and where you check in at. Also where you can play on the playground. There's a swimming hole. And that's the entrance straight ahead. So you have some sites right at the front. Some smaller, some are still pull through and larger. But as you can hear, it's kind of loud. We're right on a highway and on a regular 2-lane road. So it's not the most quiet, but it's still not bad. Got the gym mine. It's cute. It's great if you have kids. I was going a little fast. Propane fill up. I guess you could get propane here if you wanted to. Come on, follow me. Swim Beach.
Where are you going?
Oh yeah, nice little beach down there. That's cool. No pets allowed down there. You can rent kayaks, some picnic tables down there. Here's a couple more premium sites when you first enter. We have an upset baby. This is site 2 right here, site 1 and 2.
Here. You take Sadie.
Huh?
Here you go. Hey, here. There you go.
More pull-through sites. It's just like one big loop in the campground, so this is one of the outside loops. There is a house right outside of it that has a bunch of trash outside of it, outside of the home. It's just outside of the gate, but it is out there at least. We're staying in site 26. It's a pull through. It's 50 amp. They say it's this is site 17. So again, you have comes with the chairs, the patio, the grill. This is a pretty small one, but it's still nice. It's private. And then straight back, there are actually cabins for rent. But that is right on the highway, so if you want peace and quiet, just anticipate. You're gonna hear highway noise all night. That's ours with the side-by-side up there. Nice and shaded. Big sites too. One of the laundry facilities. Also a bathhouse. Let's go check inside it. Can you hold Tootsie real quick? Laundry is open 24 hours. $2 for washers, $1.50 for dryers. Couple units right here. One of them is out of order. And then a couple on this side as well. And some soaps you can buy, but I don't know if it's empty or not. It does say coin slide out when slots are empty, so it's empty. Here is your garbage. So we'll have to take our garbage and put it here. I know. So it looks like those are some cabins you can rent over near, I guess that's a pond.
It's like Snack City.
Yeah. And then some cabins on the outside back there a little further. And then a bunch of sites in between. It's a KOA holiday, so overall, I mean, we're just staying here a night, so it's not bad, but just with how loud it is, I don't know if I would want to stay here much longer than that. But good for a night.
Transient.
Catch and release fishing pond. That'd be kind of fun. I'm not really sure what's in there, but really nice big tree on a hot day. It'd be cool to come have some lunch right here or something.